Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The problem is given now. X square plus y square plus z square equal to 14, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 11, x plus y plus 2z equal to 9. Find x comma y comma z. So here logical Olympiad and uh, critical problems are uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the solution to this problem? If you are not having any ideas, you can continue the video. So here some logic is there in this problem. Given x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 14. So let us take it as 1. Xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 11. Let us take it as 2. So here by observing this, you have to get the idea. X square plus y square, we are having one formula. So here 1 plus 2 times of the second equation. So you will change it into formula x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 14 plus 22. So here you'll get 36. Now this will change into x plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to 36. If you take x plus y plus z is equal to plus or minus root of 36, that is equal to plus or minus 6. Let it be 4. So here we can solve the equations. But here what we are doing, we are subtracting our third equation minus fourth equation. Third equation is this one, x plus y plus 2z. X plus y plus 2z minus fourth equation minus x minus y minus z is equal to 9 minus plus 6. So here you are subtracting in this two. So here x get cancelled, y get cancelled. Here z is equal to 3 or 15. Z is equal to 3 or 15 you are getting. 9 minus 6 3, 9 plus 6 15. So from this you will get, if you substitute this in third equation, x plus y plus 2 into 3 6. 2z is equal to 9. From this you will get x plus y is equal to 9 minus 6 3. So if you take the second one, x plus y plus 2 into 15 is equal to 9. So x plus y is equal to minus 21 you will get. So you have to solve this too. So here I am taking case 1. Case 1 you are taking z is equal to 3 and x plus y is equal to 3. So we are substituting this value in second equation. Substituting this value in second equation, what will get? Xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 11. So here xy plus, here you can take z common, x plus y is equal to 11. Substitute the values of z and xy. Xy plus z value 3, x plus y value 3 is equal to 11. So xy is equal to 11 minus 9. Xy is equal to 2. So here we have to solve this. X plus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 3 and xy is equal to 2. Therefore, the possible values of x is 1 comma 2 and the possible values of y is 2 comma 1. So this is case 1. Now we are taking case 2. So in this case 2 we are taking z is equal to 15 and x plus y is equal to minus 21 you are taking. So what you will get here, if you substitute this in the second equation, so here xy plus z into x plus y is equal to 11. So xy plus z means here you are taking 15. Here xy means minus 21 is equal to 11. Xy minus 315 is equal to 11. So xy is equal to 326. So here what will get now? X plus y, solving the sum, x plus y is equal to minus 21. Xy is equal to 326. Now the value of x is, you get irrational parts, minus 21 plus or minus root of, so minus 863 by 2 imaginary root sum, y is equal to minus 21 plus or minus root of minus 863 by 2. So here the possible values of x, so x is equal to 1 comma 2. So minus 21 plus or minus root of 863 by 2. And the possible values of y are 2 comma 1 minus 21 plus or minus root of 863 by 2. And the possible value of z is equal to 3 comma 3 comma 15. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.